Boost your workshop efficiency with the Workshop Tracker. Imagine hosting a workshop where every phase runs flawlessly, every transition flows seamlessly, and no time is wasted. Sounds impossible? Not with the Workshop Tracker. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to effortless efficiency with this game-changing, browser-based tool. The Workshop Tracker is your secret weapon for hosting smooth, organized, and productive workshops. It's a simple, browser-based timer that keeps you on schedule by managing each phase of your session, automating transitions, and ensuring you stay on track without a hitch. Effortless, isn't it? Managing workshops can be overwhelming with multiple phases and tight schedules. But with the Workshop Tracker, time and task management becomes effortless. No more manually checking timers or missing transitions. This tool is designed to make your workshops more efficient and professional. The Workshop Tracker stands out. It's 100% browser-based, no installation required. Its GDPR-compliant design guarantees privacy, so you never have to worry about data tracking. Plus, the automatic phase switching feature reduces manual intervention, ensuring you stay focused on leading your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned trainer or a first-time facilitator, the Workshop Tracker is your best ally. It's user-friendly, requiring no technical know-how or learning curve. Just set your session phases, hit start, and watch as the tracker organizes your time like a pro. Adaptable to any workshop type, the tracker allows you to customize phases for your session's specific needs. Whether it's brainstorming, presentations, or discussions, every segment gets its share of structured time. And the best part? It works flawlessly on all your devices. Are you ready to transform your workshops? Start with the Workshop Tracker today. Click, set, and watch your productivity soar. Impress your participants, streamline your sessions, and achieve workshop success like never before, all with the power of one simple tool. Try it now. Like, comment, share. See you next time.